Welcome back to How Comfortable Is This Shoe? I'm your host. My name is Brad Hall. Today's episode, I'm excited about it. I'm working with Adidas, and I'm debuting two brand new shoes. It's the Adidas Consortium Falcon and the Adidas Consortium SS2G. Both models are in the cross-trainer genre. That means you can do just about any activity in them. And they've also got a lot of interesting details. On the SS2G, you've got mesh and a synthetic suede that it looks like it's got a really nice tooth to it, a wide, padded, flat tongue, a toe guard for guarding your toes, and it's got herringbone downstairs. On the Falcon, you've got a prime knit upper, and it's got synthetic suede too, but a lot less toothy. There's a collar around the ankle, embroidered curly cues for speed, and down on its bottom, you've got that torsion and some nice chunky traction nubbins. Both models have an insole, and get this is really exciting. Both models have a speed lacing system. I've got a clip of me speed lacing away, so I'm gonna play that right now, and look at how easy that is. It makes tying your shoes a lot less hard, and you totally reduce the risk of injury. Since this is a special episode, I created a series of new tests for it. This shoe is designed to handle any activity you throw at it during the day. So I picked the 5 things that I do most on most days, and those are the tests. Test number 1, getting up. Getting out of bed is something that I like to do almost every morning. Sometimes I'll put my shoes on the night before just for that extra motivation to get out of bed in the morning. I've got to say, both shoes performed really well on this test. Test number 2, browsing the net. Look at the stress that I'm putting these shoes under right now. No matter how hard I click, the shoes hold up. And when I adjust my position, that cushion, it's there for me. And it's pretty comfortable. Test number 3, the napping on the chair test. I like the way both shoes felt in this one. Test number 4, yoga. My body is always getting more muscular. It's so important for me to stay limber, not let those muscles tighten up, restrict my graceful movements. Both shoes felt really good on this one and really helped me achieve those perfect yoga poses. The final test, napping on a big chair. I'm happy to report that both shoes handled the bigger chair with ease. So after all that testing, I can honestly say that the Consortium SS2G and the Falcon, they can really handle the rigors of a lifestyle like mine, and my comfort rating for them, I give them some kind of comfortable. So tune in next time on this show, which is called How Comfortable Is This Shoe?